Hi everyone, welcome to our video today. Benjamin's gonna cook with me. We're gonna make French toast in muffin tin cups. We have some hamburger buns left over from a barbecue that we had, so we're going to use these. I will put the recipe for this in the description. So we'll use the hamburger buns, we'll have some egg, a little bit of sugar, some milk, cinnamon, vanilla, and then I have this really great homemade syrup from Vermont from my college roommate. It's delicious. So we have the oven preheating to 350. So Benjamin's gonna help me make these French toast cups. Okay, for our French toast muffin cups, we're going to use 4 eggs. So once we put the 4 eggs into the mixing bowl, we have 1.5 cups of milk that we will add in. Then we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're going to mix all these ingredients together. Once it's mixed all the way, we will add in the hamburger buns. So we're going to tear them into small pieces. I have my little helpers here tearing the hamburger buns up to small pieces. Then we will mix it all together and it will be ready to add to our muffin tin cups. Alright, so we have sprayed the muffin tin pan with some cooking spray, and so now Benjamin and I are going to portion out the French toast mixture into each muffin tin. Once it's ready to go, we're going to put it in the oven. It's been preheating at 350 degrees, and we're going to cook them for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, so the French toast cups are out of the oven. Zachary's joining us now because he wants to try one. So the recipe will be in the description for this. These are really delicious to make if you have some extra hamburger buns laying around. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our other cooking videos with the kids. And we hope that you have a great weekend. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yummy. Yummy. 1